Welcome to LittleCocoBee! Wake up early with the morning light. Stretch your arms and feel so bright. Go to bed when the stars appear. Dream sweet dreams without any fear. Rise with energy, smile wide. A fresh new day begins inside. Crunchy fruits and veggies every day. Colorful bites in a yummy way. Healthy food makes you strong and tall. Gives you power to run and play ball. Eat with joy, feel the glow. Healthy choices help you grow. Sip cool water through the day. Keep your thirsty blues away. Drink it slowly, drink it right. Keeps your body fresh and light. Hydrate well, feel the cheer. Water keeps you strong all year. Brush your teeth morning and night. Keep your smile shiny and bright. Scrub the corners round and round. Make your teeth strong and sound. Rinse and spit, you're almost done. Healthy brushing is so much fun. Jump and run under the sky. Stretch your hands and lift them high. Exercise keeps you active and strong. Makes your day happy and long. Move your body, dance and play. Stay healthy every single day. Wash your hands and make them clean. Soap and bubbles make a shiny scene. Rub the palms and fingers too. Keep the germs away from you. Rinse them well in water clear. Clean hands bring healthy cheer. Open a book and start your ride into worlds of wonder inside. Stories teach and stories play. They make you smarter every day. Turn the pages, read with fun. Learning shines for everyone. Play outside and feel the breeze. Run around beneath the trees. Laugh and shout with friends so near. Outdoor fun brings happy cheer. Jump and climb under the sun. Playing outside is so much fun. Clean your room and tidy your space. Put each toy back in its place. A neat environment feels so good, just like every home should. Cleaning daily makes life fine. A tidy room always shines. Share with others and be kind. Use polite words all the time. Please and thank you brighten the day. Kindness brings joy in every way. Help a friend when they feel blue. A loving heart lives inside you. Subscribe to the LittleCocoBee for more fun!